tous. Bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Je m'appelle Anu Gupta et aujourd'hui je vais vous enseigner le verbe être. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I am Anu Gupta and today I am going to teach you the verb être. The verb être. In English it means to be. So today in this video I am going to teach you is, am and are. I have taught you the subject pronouns and the adjectives in my previous videos. Today we are going to attach is, am and are with the subject pronouns and the adjectives to make small little sentences. After learning from this video, you will be able to make sentences like they are happy, she is tall, and such kind of small little sentences. So enjoy making little sentences with me. And if you like this channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Happy learning. Allons commencer par le verbe être. Let's start with the verb être. You all now know the subject pronouns. They are je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il plural and elle plural. We have done all this in our earlier video. If you want to go through it again, you can click on the link shown above and go through it again. I want to add up one more subject pronoun, that is on, which is informal form of we. Nous is the formal form of we and on is an informal form of we. We conjugate on in the same way as we conjugate il and elle. Here comes your chart for the verb être, which means to be. Today we will be conjugating the verb être in the present tense. So, first of all we have je suis. Je suis. It means I am. Then for the second person singular we have tu es. Tu es. It is you are in an informal manner. Then third one is il est. Elle est. On est. It means he is. She is. We are. We are in an informal manner. And it is also used to say it is. Next comes nous sommes. Nous sommes. Nous sommes means we are. Means we are. It is used formally. Next is vous êtes. Vous êtes means you are. It is the formal way of saying you are. Or it can also be used in the plural form of informal language. You are. Next is ils sont, elles sont. Ils sont, they are for masculine things. Elles sont, they are for feminine things. So you have to learn this conjugation thoroughly. It should be on your fingertips. Je suis, tu es, il, elle, on est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. The pronunciation should be proper. You learn it thoroughly because in whole of the French we are going to use it a lot. And remember this thing that for tu we have a and for il, elle, on also we have a. The spellings are different but the pronunciation is same. It is a. Let's now form sentences using être. First one is je suis. Je suis means I am. See, we can make sentences like je suis marié means I am married. Je suis en France means I am in France. Je suis heureuse means I am happy. Je suis désolé means I am sorry. So you can make sentences like this. Next is tu es. Tu es is you are. The informal way of saying you are. We can make sentences like tu es très belle means you are very beautiful. Tu es généreux means you are generous. Tu es très fatigué means you are very tired. Tu es un bon ami means you are a good friend. Next is il est. Il est means he is. We can make sentences like il est indien means he is Indian. Il est très méchant means he is very naughty. Next comes elle est. Elle est means she is. Elle est indienne means she is Indian. Elle est à sa maison means she is at her house. Then elle est grande means She is tall. Then ile and la can also be used for things. It can be used as it is. For example, mon chien il est grand means my dog. He is big. He is tall. Le livre il est intéressant means the book. It is interesting. L'examen est facile means the exam is easy. La table est grande means the table is big. This conjugation can also be used with names like Mira est à la plage means Mira is at the beach. Mon père est professeur means my father is professor. Rohan est triste means Rohan is sad. Then we use the same conjugation with o also. O, I told you, it is an informal form of nous, informal form of we in English. So, on is we are, informal form of we are. We can make sentences like on est ensemble means we are together. On est au supermarché, we are at the supermarket. So, it is all about a. L-A, on a. Now next comes the plural ones. First is nous sommes. Nous sommes means we are. The formal form of saying we are. Nous sommes heureux means we are happy. Nous sommes dans le jardin means we are in the garden. Next is nous sommes une petite famille means we are a small family. And after nous sommes comes vous êtes. Vous êtes, I've told you earlier also, it is the formal way of saying you are, and also it is used for plurals in an informal language. So the sentences can be vous êtes très gentil. See here with gentil we are putting an extra s. That means it is plural form. It can also be used for a single person in the formal language, but then gentil would have been without an s. Vous êtes très gentil. Pronunciation would have been the same, but with gentil the s would not have been there. Next is Monsieur. Vous êtes malade. When we use Monsieur, that means it is formal language because Monsieur means Mr. Sir. Monsieur. Vous êtes malade means sir or mister, are you unwell? Are you sick? So, vous êtes. Next is vous êtes dans la classe de français means you are in the French class. So, over here also we are addressing many people. Next comes ils sont. Ils sont is they are, the masculine form of they are. Examples are ils sont intelligents means they are intelligent. Ram et Rohan sont étudiants means Ram and Rohan are students. Ram, Meera and Geeta sont heureux means Ram, Meera and Geeta are happy. I have told you when there is a group of people in which there are both boys and girls, then you have to use the masculine form. If there is a group of all the girls, only then you are going to use the feminine form. Next is les enfants sont dans le jardin means the children are in the park. Next comes elles sont. Elles sont means they are for feminine things. Examples elles sont étudiantes means they are students. We are using it for girls. When there is a group of girls and they are students, then we will say elles sont étudiantes. Then les filles sont très contentes means the girls are very happy. Next is elles sont jumelles means they are twins. Next is Meera, Geeta and Seema sont des amis means Meera, Geeta and Seema are friends. So this is all about the verb être. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, on est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. Now see, there is one more way of saying it is. It is say. It is or this is. We call it by using say. And for plurals, it is ce sont. Ce sont means these are. You are going to use this also a lot in French. Example, c'est un livre means it is a book or this is a book. Then c'est une montre means it is a watch or this is a watch. Then ce sont des livres, ce sont des montres means these are books, these are watches. So remember this thing also, say and ce sont. It is, this is or these are. Now let's see how much you have understood. So try this exercise. The first one is L dash triste. L is they for girls, and L dash triste. Then je dash heureuse means I dash happy. Next is tu dash gentil means you dash gentle. Next is il dash gros. Gros means fat. He dash fat. Next, vous dash intelligent. Next, Mira dash petite. Petite is small. Then nous dash riche. Riche means rich. Je dash une fille means I dash a girl. Ram et Geeta dash des amis means Ram and Geeta dash friends. L dash mans. Mans means thin. Next is on dash conto means informal way of saying we dash happy. Next is sir dash des femmes. Sir, I told you sir is also a form of saying it, this or these. Sir dash des femmes means this dash girls. On the next page, there are the answers to it. I am sure you will be able to do it properly. While doing these, you just look at the starting word. That means the subject pronoun. And you have to put the conjugation that is used with that starting word. Like what is used with je, il, elle, tu, nous, vous, like this. So rest of the portion is not that relevant while putting up the conjugation. Just see the starting letter and put the right conjugation. Bonne chance. Here comes your answers. Elles sont tristes. Je suis heureuse. Tu es gentil. Il est gros. Vous êtes intelligent. Mira est petite. Nous sommes riches. Je suis une fille. Ram et Geeta sont des amis. Elle est mince. On est content. Ce sont des femmes. I hope you must have done it correctly. If not, then practice it again. Practice it thoroughly. Here, you only had to see the subject pronoun and put the right conjugation with it. And in the next portion, we will be doing the adjectives. Like, we have to be very careful while putting the proper form of adjective. Form in the sense whether it is masculine or feminine or plural. It must match with the starting one, the subject pronoun. Then only our sentence will be correct. So we are going to use the verb être now with an adjective that is beau, beautiful. So it will make the sentence more clear to you that how to write a sentence properly in French while matching the subject pronoun with the adjective. Now see the first sentence. It is je suis beau or je suis belle. If you are a boy, then you will say je suis beau, and if you are a girl, then you will say je suis belle. Next is tu es beau, tu es belle, means you are beautiful. But if you are saying this to a boy, then say tu es beau, and for a girl you will say tu es belle. Next is il est beau. Elle est belle means he is beautiful, she is beautiful. For he it will be beau and for she it will be belle. Conjugation will remain the same. For il, elle, for conjugation you just have to see the starting, the subject pronoun. Only the subject pronoun. Next is le Taj Mahal est beau. Taj Mahal masculine. So beau. Ma maison est belle means my house is beautiful. In French, house is feminine. So ma maison est belle. On est beau, on est belle. For informal version of we are beautiful. If a group of boys is there, then on est beau. If a group of girls is there, then on est belle. Next is nous sommes beaux, nous sommes belles. It is we are beautiful. For boys, nous sommes beaux. For girls, nous sommes belles. Next comes vous êtes beau, vous êtes belle. It is for masculine or feminine single person in a formal manner. And for plural ones, it will be vous êtes beau with an X and vous êtes belle with an S. You can again revise the adjectives from my previous video on the adjectives to make all this clear to you regarding changing from masculine to feminine and from singular to plural. Next is ils sont beaux means they are beautiful. Next, Ram, Meera and Geeta sont beaux. Here also 3 people are there, Ram, Meeta and Geeta. So it is a group. So we are using sont with beau. Beau plural form of beautiful. Next is elles sont belles means they are beautiful. It is girls. Girls are beautiful. Elles sont belles. So we are using the feminine form of belle. Next is Meera et Geeta sont belles. 2 girls are there, so sont will be used and belle. Next is les filles sont belles. The girls are beautiful. Next is les montres sont belles. It is used with things also. The way we have the singular form of il and elle with things, the same way this il and elle plural will also move with plural things. Les montres sont belles means the watches are beautiful. I hope now this verb être is very clear to you. Just remember that every time you have to match the subject pronoun with the gender of the particular adjective, with the plural or singular form of that particular adjective. Then only your sentence will be correct. Now let us do one more thing. Let's do one more exercise in which the singular ones will be given to you and you have to convert the whole sentence into a plural one. Let's see. See, the very first sentence is elle est intelligente means she is intelligent. And to make it into plural form, you will write elles sont intelligentes. See, elle we have put an extra s and made it plural. Then a changes into sont and intelligent changes into intelligent with an s. So the sentence is now changed into plural one. She is intelligent, they are intelligent. Next is tu es jolie means you are pretty. Now we are saying this to one person and there is no e after jolie, so that means this is for a boy. Now to change it into plural form, we will say vous êtes jolie. Tu changes into vous in the plural form and a will become êtes, vous êtes and then jolie with an s. Vous êtes jolie. Next is je suis indienne. Je suis indienne, you can see from the sentence that this is for girl because indienne is there. It is not indien, it is indienne. It is for a girl. Now to change it into plural form, you will write nous sommes indiennes. Je changes into nous in the plural form and then we will conjugate it accordingly. It will be nous sommes and indienne with an s. Next is le livre est intéressant. Le livre est intéressant means the book is interesting. To change it into plural form, we will make les livres. Le will change into les and livre will change into livre with an S. The pronunciation will remain same. I have told you in my earlier videos also. Les livres sont intéressants. Intéressant with an S. Next one is c'est une montre means it is a watch. To convert it into plural form, c'est will become ce sont. Ce sont, une will become they. If you have forgotten about the articles, you can revise it from my video on articles. I've told you all these things in that video, so you should go through it if you feel there is a need. Ce sont des montres. Montre with an extra S. Next is le professeur est gentil. Means the professor is gentle. To change it into plural, we will write les professeurs sont gentils. Le will change into les professeur with an S. A is so and gentil is gentil with an S. So this is the way we change a sentence into plural form. Now the verb être is finished. I have a small exercise for you. Try it. Bonne chance. The first question is complétez avec le verbe être means completed by using the verb être. You will be able to do it easily. Next, in the second question, you have to do mettez au pluriel means you have to convert the sentence into plural form. The first one is je suis intelligent means I am intelligent. Next is elle est gentille. She is gentle. Next is tu es généreuse means you are generous. Next is l'homme est souriant means the man is cheerful. Next is c'est une grande maison means it is a big house. So try it properly. I hope you will be able to do it. If not, then practice it again. Here comes your answers. First is je suis heureuse. Il est content. Nous sommes tristes. La table est basse means the table is low. Mira est mince means Mira is thin. Les leçons sont faciles. The lessons are easy. Vous êtes Indian. Are you Indian? Ram et Anish sont gros. Ram and Anish are fat. Next, you have to make the plural sentences from the singular ones. So, first one is je suis intelligent. It will change into nous sommes intelligents. Elle est gentille. Elles sont gentilles. Tu es généreuse. Vous êtes généreuse. L'homme est souriant. Les hommes sont souriants. C'est une grande maison. Ce sont les grandes maisons. So today we have finished the verb être. You will be doing all the verbs in French in the same way. You will be conjugating all the verbs like this only by using je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il, elle, plural. So I'm again saying learn it thoroughly, and if you are having any problem in it, you can write it in the comment section and I will solve it out. Please do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Au revoir. À bientôt.